So these are unilateral dumbbell curls, which is just a dumbbell curl that you do one hand at a time. So dumbbell curl, just like this. Very, very simple movement. Elbow stays nice and tight to my hip, okay? So the elbow's not way back here, and it certainly doesn't come up and then begin to move during the movement like a lot of people do, like this, okay? The elbow stays completely fixed to my hip, okay? I curl the weight up, stop a little bit shy of the top, release the weight down, stop a little bit shy of the bottom, and I just move nice and slow and controlled through these two positions. If I want to improve the movement, I lean forward very slightly. The reason for that is whenever I now get up to the top, it's still actually tension on the bicep, whereas if I'm fully upright and I get to the top, the tension leaves a little bit because it's just sitting on my arm, okay? So it's tilting slightly forward, not a huge amount, but slightly can help. And another thing that can help if you're a little bit bigger or you have more muscle or you just want to make it more challenging is to lean out slightly into the arm like this, okay? What this does is, if I'm standing upright, there can be some meat, there can be some muscle and fat in the way here and I can't get a perfectly straight line. If I lean very slightly to the side like this, it makes it a little bit easier to actually get that perfectly straight line that I'm looking for, okay? But the key is, again, not to move the elbow, okay? And that's a unilateral or one-handed dumbbell curl.